Today I'll be cutting my hair. I have been growing out my hair for the past 2 years or so, and I have decided that I no longer want to have this hair anymore. And I am just sick of having long hair. I do think that I look the best with long hair, and honestly, every time I do cut my hair, I end up getting extensions. Usually the longer my hair, the more full it is, the better I feel in myself. I don't really want my outer appearance to define how I feel about myself anymore. I'm so nervous. I don't know if I want to do this anymore. Okay. So it's not going to be anything drastic. It's just going to be like a small cut, and we'll see how I feel about it. I hope I don't regret this. I don't know if I want to do this anymore. What if I hate it? What if I feel ugly after I cut it? What if I just want to get hair extensions again? No, but I have to do it. I said I would do it. Like, am I going to feel ugly every single day from now on if I cut this? Like, am I gonna go get extensions like right away? Am I gonna feel like hideous? I don't know. What if I feel ugly? What am I gonna do if I hate it? It's not that bad, right? Okay, let's start. Otherwise, I'm not gonna end up doing it. So I decided I will be actually splitting my hair. So I have hair brush. I'm gonna cut it on dry hair because I hear if you cut it on wet hair, it's gonna be shorter than you actually want it to be. So let me show you how long my hair actually is. Easy. Okay, so it's like a little bit past the boobs, not at the belly button yet. Yeah, it's pretty long. Am I gonna regret this? Am I gonna regret this so bad? I don't know why I feel so ugly with short hair. I just feel like long hair looks the best on me. Am I gonna regret this? Oh my god. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. And it's not like my hair is healthy anyway. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna grow it back out. So I can't like zoom out. So we're gonna cut at like this angle for a little bit. So I've decided we're gonna start off small and we're gonna start it like right here. So I hope it doesn't look ugly. Oh my god. It's already uneven. It's already uneven. It's so bad. It's already uneven. Okay. So we're gonna try and do the same thing to this side. Oh my god. I hope it's even. Oh my god. Is it? It's not even at all. Oh my god. Oh my god. The side is way shorter. Oh. Fuck. Okay. This is what we have gone so far. It's actually a lot. Oh my god. Am I gonna hate myself? I'm gonna hate myself. Oh my god, this is so bad. This is so bad. Oh my god, is it even close to even? It's okay. Oh my god, it does not look even. It's not even. Okay. Look weird. Whatever, we're just gonna move on. I don't know. It looks kind of cute. It's not terrible. Okay. My hair was layered. Kind of. Badly layered. This is like the top layer of hair. You can see it's like pretty close to like the length that I cut it at anyway. And that's why I wanted to split it into 2 sections, just so that we can do that. And we're going for a blunt cut, like nothing fancy. Like I can't really do anything good like that anyway. I'm gonna brush it out. This looks like kind of bad. Like actually like really bad. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I should be looking like straightforward or if I should like I'm just gonna assume we have to look straightforward. We did it. I'm glad that we just did it. I think if I just kept thinking about it, it would never have happened. Not bad. It's not like it was drastic. It's not like I meant like a bob, you know? So, should cut. So, this is what it looks like right now. I feel like it doesn't look great. I'm not looking for great, we're just looking for like C+, like pass. I don't want to keep cutting because I'm worried if I keep cutting it might get worse. So I have like this handy dandy mirror. We're gonna take a look at the back. I would suck at being a pilot for an airplane. Like I cannot do this mirror thing. So it's in like this U shape. Maybe if we cut it like sideways. Because, you know. Shit. I was supposed to cut it like this. Yeah. Okay, that helped a little bit. Okay. God, this sucks. This sucks. I suck. Okay, I think this is the best I can do. Just one more in the back, just for a good time. I'm going to edit this video later and probably see that it's uneven as so I'm going to leave it where it's at, I think. Like I know I should like upward cut or whatever, but I'm like kind of here for like that blunt Hailey Bieber look, you know? Or it looks like shit, I don't know. I hope it doesn't look like that. Probably looks terrible. Oh. I don't know. If we keep going, it might end up bad. I don't hate it. Let's see if I get hair extensions though, like a month from now. For now, this is it. I actually think it's kind of cute. It's like kind of the vibe I'm going for right now. Or at least that's what I'm gonna keep telling myself. It feels like it feels amazing to not have like that much dead hair. It's not just like poking everywhere. Honestly, like long hair is cool and all, but like it's in my butt, my dog's butt, it's in his mouth, my mouth, like it's just fucking everywhere, you know? This is it. like it. I hope it looks okay. I hope it looks good. So it's like not that drastically changed. I think I still look pretty much the same. It's kind of cute. Like now I can do like one of these moments, you know? Go to face. Thanks for watching, guys.